Hello, this is a sequence of exercises to help with hip mobility. So lying on your back, hugging your knees in and making small circles one way with your knees and then the other. Just helps loosen up that hip and lower back. Then holding behind the thigh, straightening your knee about 5 times on each side. This helps move the sciatic nerve and keep your hamstrings mobile. You can flex the foot towards you if you want to. Then grab a band or a dressing gown belt is quite handy. Getting in a bit of a tangle, getting this around my foot in the right position, but you're looking to support your foot. And then take the weight of your leg with your band. And you're just going to just gently circle again round the hips, this time with a slightly bent knee. So you're circling round one way, circling the other. Just really getting into the hip joint. Then I'm bending my knee, bringing it towards my shoulder just to open up to that hip. If there's any discomfort, just go gently. Now just taking that leg, taking the weight still, just letting that leg come out to the side. Changing sides, so small circles round one way, really letting the leg relax. So the band is doing the work. Bringing the knee down towards that shoulder, opens up into the hip and keeping the other hip resting onto the floor as you do this. Gently out to the side, nice and relaxed, keeping your pelvis, trying to keep your pelvis on the floor. Release the band. Then I'm just grabbing your toes and just pushing the knees away with your elbow just to stretch, and then holding your feet, soles of your feet, and just trying to bring both knees back towards your shoulders. So sitting cross-legged is a great stretch for the hip if you can just do this on a daily basis. If you find sitting without a block too uncomfortable, you could just put a cushion, sit on a cushion or a block, that might help. Just have a wiggle side to side to help loosen up the hips, but it's a great movement for the hips. And then we're moving into a more of a yoga pose, which is called King Pigeon, and you're just sliding your leg forwards and trying to keep your pelvis level, coming down to stretch through the outside of the glutes into the buttock. It's a really nice stretch to do, particularly if you're a runner or you cycle. You can try and come up a little bit if you can, just to give yourself a good stretch through. Opens up your sacroiliac joint as well and your lumbar spine. So I find it a bit harder on this side, so I've just adjusted my foot, bringing the leg up, having a good stretch through the glutes. And then releasing, just sitting, you can just gently windscreen wipe your legs just to help with the hips again.